Hi guys, Flexpipe 101, Esteban here with the tips and tricks. Let's talk about the suppress face creation icon. So this is a tool that we use when or to remove surfaces. So really quickly, Sketchup, every time you create anything, it's going to create a surface. So if I do a rectangle or a square or a circle, we see this surface appear. Sometimes you want it, sometimes you don't, depending on what you may be doing. Me, I generally keep that first one to go ahead and, well, really quickly here, I'm just going to do a 24 by 24 surface. And now we can see that that surface has been created. What I want to do is now I'll go ahead and hit the suppress face creation. And now I'm going to go ahead and pull this up to, let's just say 30 inches. And what we can see that just happened is that the faces have disappeared. So generally, I keep that first one so I can create my overall structure, my box, my rectangle, and then I use the suppress face creation to get rid of the other ones. Once I do that, I'll just go ahead and select this and get rid of that one. So in this case now, for instance, I'm going to go ahead and just generate this because what I want to do is pull a surface, an HDPE surface out of the library, and I'm going to modify it. I still have the suppress face creation selected, and I'm going to go ahead and just drag in this one here, and I'm going to get it to where it's going to be placed over here on this corner. 5/8 of an inch is going to get me to where I would like it to be. So in this case here now, if we see, we still have the suppress face creation, but I want to get rid of this corner because it's interfering with where the pipe is connected. So if I create a guideline to, let's just say 2 and 1/16 of an inch, and I do the same this way, 2 and 1/16 of an inch. I'm going to go ahead and press, or rather use the line tool to connect the two together, and there we go. But do you see what just happened is that now we are seeing the inside, the interior of that surface we've created, or the surface we've modified. And I don't need that, right? Because it's confusing and it doesn't help with what I want to do. So now what I want to do, I can't do it because I've gotten rid of that face, and that's a problem for me. So if I look, I'm going to see that I still have that suppress face creation selected. So I need to go ahead and Control Z so I can get back to where the surface is intact, and now I'm going to get rid of that suppress face creation, and now I'm going to go ahead and redo that line and connect it to the other end there. We see that it doesn't disappear because what I want to do is select that face or that portion, and with the push pull I want to go ahead and get rid of it manually all the way so that we no longer have it be an issue. But if I don't do that, or if I still have the suppress face creation, I'm not able to do that. So that's a little issue that you may run into. So this is how you basically solve that that problem. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you next time.